In this video, I will be sharing kung magkano na ang total dividends na nakuha ko sa MP2 after 4 years. Pag-ibig MP2 is, I think, the best investment program offered by the government. Maski wala kang experience sa investing, pwedeng-pwede kang mag-invest sa Pag-ibig MP2 basta meron kang regular Pag-ibig account. Bakit magandang mag-invest sa MP2? Because sa MP2, you can earn higher dividend versus regular savings and time deposit accounts, even higher than treasury bills and bonds. Ang dividend ng MP2 the past 6 years ay nasa 6 to 8%. Tax-free ang dividend ng MP2, kaya you will earn more sa MP2 versus putting your money sa savings account or time deposit accounts na merong 20% withholding tax. Most importantly, safe ang mag-invest sa Pag-ibig MP2 because our MP2 savings are government guaranteed, ensuring the security and protection of our capital. Affordable mag-invest sa MP2 because you can start investing with as low as 500 pesos. Since MP2 is voluntary, payment of contribution is flexible. Pwede kang maghulog ng any amount anytime basta minimum of 500 pesos. Pwede mo nang gawin lahat online. You can create your MP2 account online, you can pay your contributions and monitor your contributions online using virtual Pag-ibig. And take note, 5 years ang maturity ng MP2, so wag niyo ilalagay ang inyong emergency fund sa Pag-ibig MP2. Reminder, do not view MP2 as a get-rich-quick investment program. While MP2 offers safety and attractive dividends, it's a long-term savings and investment program. So you have to allow your money to grow over time through the power of compounding. Ngayon, kung gusto mong kumita agad ng malaki at yumaman ka agad kagaya nila, then MP2 is not for you. Kasi MP2 is a low-risk investment. So expect lower returns versus risky investments that offer higher returns. There's no such thing as low-risk investment that offers high returns. Too good to be true na pag ganyan ang investment. Ngayon 'pag may alam kayong low risk investment pero nagbibigay ng high returns din, sabihan niyo ako para ma-review ko rin. So now I'm going to share kung magkano na ang total dividends na nakuha ko sa Pag-ibig MP2 after almost 4 years. Annual payout ang pinili kong dividend payout mode kaya nakakakuha ako ng dividends yearly. 'Pag 5-year end term naman ang pipiliin mo, after 5 years mo pa makukuha lahat ng contributions and total dividends. Naghulog ako ng one-time contribution na 200,000 pesos sa MP2 noong May 2019. So, sinubukan ko muna mag-invest. And ngayon, almost 4 years na ang first MP2 account ko. And ito naman ang dividend rates from 2019 to 2022. So, bumaba ang dividend rates noong 2020 and 2021. So, yan yung time na nagka-pandemic kaya bumaba. And then tumaas ulit to 7.03% noong 2022. Noong 2019, nakakuha ako ng dividend na 9,640 pesos. May na ako naghulog ng contribution kaya prorated ang dividend ko noong 2019. And then noong 2020, I earned 12,240 pesos na dividend. And then noong 2021, bumaba naman ang dividend rate kaya bumaba rin ang dividend na nakuha ko sa nasa 12,000 pesos. And then nung 2022, tumaas ulit ang dividend rate kaya mas mataas din ang nakuha kong dividend. So 14,060 pesos. Ang total dividends na nakuha ko na from May 2019 to December 2022 ay 47,940 pesos. May mga nagtanong din sa akin kung alin daw ba ang mas magandang payout mode, annual ba or 5-year end term. Ginawan ko rin ng dividend computation ang 5-year end term para malaman kung gaano kalaki ang difference sa dividend pag naghulog ng 200,000 pesos na one-time payment. Sa annual payout, total dividends from May 2019 to December 2022 ay 47,940 pesos. Pag 5-year end term naman, ang total dividends ay 52,396 pesos. So, mas malaki ang dividend pag 5-year end term kasi compounded ang dividend. Merong difference na 4,456 pesos. And mas malaki pa ang magiging difference pag natapos ang 5 years. Ang dividend for 2023 ay next year pa ilalabas bandang April or May 2024. Magmamature na ang first MP2 account ko next year ng May 2024. For January to April 2024, ang gagamitin nilang dividend sa MP2 ko ay yung latest dividend which is yung 2023 na dividend rate. Kasi yung 2024 dividend rate sa 2025 pa madi-declare. Check out my Pag-ibig MP2 playlist to learn more about Pag-ibig MP2.